Aluminum surrounds our everyday lives, but almost nobody knows how this remarkable metal is actually born. Deep inside every one of these enormous cells, a hidden liquid quietly makes aluminum possible. At first, the answer seems obvious. The cells operate at nearly 1,000 degrees Celsius. So is aluminum simply being melted by extreme heat? Surprisingly, that's not the real reason this incredible process exists. And that's when the hidden engineering finally begins to reveal itself. This glowing liquid isn't molten aluminum, it's molten cryolite, a rare mineral that quietly makes modern aluminum possible. Without cryolite, pure aluminum oxide refuses to melt until nearly 2,000 degrees Celsius. Cryolite lowers that impossible temperature to less than half. But this liquid is so aggressively corrosive that it would destroy almost any industrial furnace. So how did engineers solve that impossible problem? They let a thin layer of cryolite freeze against the inner walls, creating its own protective shell. Now, the molten bath does something extraordinary. It transforms solid alumina into mobile, charged ions. Electricity can finally guide every ion toward its destination. At the bottom of the cell, billions of aluminum ions become pure liquid metal. And while the aluminum leaves as metal, the cryolite remains behind, ready to begin the entire process again. The cell wasn't built to heat aluminum. It was built to create the only liquid where aluminum could be born. But creating aluminum is only half of the story. Every atom leaves something behind. Oxygen ions rise toward enormous carbon anodes suspended above the bath. There, another invisible reaction begins. The oxygen bonds with carbon, forming carbon dioxide, while slowly consuming the anode itself. That's why these giant carbon blocks gradually disappear and must constantly be replaced. Every second, electricity, chemistry, and materials work together in perfect balance. Everything changes inside the cell, except the invisible liquid that makes the entire reaction possible. Now imagine this invisible engineering happening not once, but inside hundreds of cells operating every hour. Together, they produce one of the world's most important engineering materials. Every aircraft, every electric vehicle, every modern city owes part of its existence to this invisible liquid.
The greatest engineering isn't always the part we can see. The real hero was never the metal itself. It was the invisible liquid that made the impossible possible. Because aluminum isn't simply melted into existence, it's born inside an invisible liquid engineered nearly 140 years ago.